Okay.
So, this LedLenser gel switch finally has arrived. Remember that huge package I received recently from Amazon Returns? I bought it for a fraction of the cost of a LedLenser flashlight. There was a whole bunch of goodies inside. Unfortunately, the flashlight itself had a damaged battery carrier, but trying to buy that carrier locally cost more than this switch on eBay. So in a moment I'll show you how this looks, and we'll see if a flashlight actually works. Okay. Works great. So this part you attach to the handle near the trigger, the flashlight near the barrel, and you can activate it as needed, even with the palm of your hand. Let me see if I can simulate the handle like this. So you squeeze with your hand, and your fingers remain free to pull the trigger. So this is how you can cheaply obtain a LedLenser from the Amazon Returns.